Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time to be here, thank you so much for clicking this video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and the support. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Penninah the Grace and you are welcome in the home of grace. In this channel, I share my life journey as a housemaid. So kindly press on that red button that says subscribe, click on the bell so that next time when I'll be uploading another video, you will get notified. So guys, in today's video, I've just decided to show you where I normally spend my time, right? I normally spend my time like, I told you earlier, like me, I normally work like 13 hours and people are like, hey, you are joking. So today I've just decided to bring you along to come and see what I normally do within those 13 hours. So keep watching. Welcome guys. Now this is my office. You are highly welcome. Let me show you around what we have here and then I will tell you one by one. Okay? Keep watching. Guys, these are the detergents that I normally use to do my laundry. Okay, and there are also detergent for washing the dishes. Yeah, and now these 3 baskets and another one is on the floor. Yeah, those are dirty clothes that are supposed to be washed. Okay, so I need to wash them like today if possible. And now I have 2 machines that I normally use to wash, that smaller one and then this bigger one. So those are the machines that I normally use to wash the clothes, and they are not automatic. Okay, they are manual, but I thank God. And now this is the table whereby I use always iron the clothes, and that is the iron box that I normally use to iron. So I have started ironing already, and those are the clothes that I've started with, and now the other part is empty for the clothes that I'm about to iron. And all these clothes that you are seeing that are lined up there, I washed them the day before and they are supposed to be ironed as well. Now guys, you see this black polythene? Oh my god, this black polythene has been brought from the hospital and these clothes are supposed to be ironed. So let me open and then show you what is inside. Now you see all these clothes are for the nurses. The house that I'm working, I have like almost everybody in the house, they are just nurses. So they normally bring clothes, they wash them to the hospital, then they bring them back at home. But sometimes there are some of the clothes that I normally wash back at home and then I iron them. So can you imagine? And they need them. So guys, this is what drained my energy like every day. This is what drains my energy, because after finishing these clothes, I normally have like no strength, and they normally bring them like twice or thrice in a week. Okay, now these are the detergents. Now as you can see, that one is not yet open, and when I opened it, I always pour it in that big container, and this yellow one is for the utensils alone. And now the pink one is for washing the colored clothes, the black, all the colors, and even the 2 jerry cans that are at the back. And then now that one is Clorox, which is still full, and now this one is, I'll open that one. those are hangers that I use to hang the clothes. So I have already started ironing. I normally start with trousers, then later the tops, so that I will put them together, a trouser and its top. These are still down here waiting. Oh my god, I don't know at what time I'll finish them. From all the clothes now, this one is the remaining one. I was tired, like I said, like no, I can't continue. Let it stay here on this table, and then tomorrow I'll start with it. So as you can see, I have not even touched the clothes, and I've been ironing for 5 hours standing, 5 good hours standing. So as you can remember, all up here, all the clothes now are gone. I've already ironed them, and the other clothes that were in the paper bag, I've already ironed them. Yeah, keep watching.